Suppose you have to write a paragraph about Mother's Day and your mother. Heading will be Mother's Day and my mother. In the introduction part, you should write mothers are the first love, FIRST, for maximum children. The most unlucky persons of this world are the persons who don't have the scope to get the love from their mothers. Mothers stands for the symbol of love, affection, tenderness, and guide. Mother's Day is a concept to honor the mothers. Throughout the years, mothers have done many things for the children, for the society, for the family. Mothers means single inverted quote is not just a biological concept. A woman can be mother if she has the heart to be a mother and she has the affection to be a mother. It never means that only biologically a woman can become mother. Rather, motherhood is a kind of responsibility, duty, and regular performance to do, to take care, and to keep others happy. We all know the great figure Mother Teresa. She does not have, or she did not have, her own child, but she has been regarded as the universal mother for her own characteristic, her way to distribute love, her manners to care for others. Mothers keep the family intact. Mother is a sheltering lamp means coal for the children. Each year on 10th May, Mother's Day is celebrated. It is without any doubt a mother always plays a vital role in a child's life. A mother is a guide, but sometimes mothers are needed to be very strong and strict, especially to guide the children in the path of discipline and honest way of life living. Now you have to write something from your experience, your relationship with your mother, that I am, name of my mother means how she is, whether she is strict, whether she is shocked, how you have feeling with the mother. You can share many things, or you just fear him, that particular kind of thing. In your feeling you have to write something about that particular kind of thing. And conclusion, that you have to praise your mother, that I know that my mother wants me to be a good person, and also to be good at my later life. So sometime she calls me SCOLDS, calls means বকাঝকা করা, or chides, তিরস্কার করা, CHIDES, chides me. But I know it is for my own good. I love him, I respect him. I think she is my main pillar, or one of the main pillar in the world. Then I like him. Then you have to conclude in your own ways. Hope you understand.